Hey, you guys. People like when I hit myself, so it's literally me. I'm funny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. What's up, guys? Today we are talking about a brand that I had heard of, but I never owned anything from. And I went a little crazy on 4th of July sales, and this was one of them that I went ahead and tried out. I'm talking about MOIRA Cosmetics. This is supposed to be kind of like an affordable beauty line. I would say it's like drugstore kind of feel vibe thing. I don't know if you can get it in drugstores. I've only ever seen it like online or on Macari and Poshmark. But it does kind of like have that feel where it's like really affordable, but they do have some really beautiful things. So I went ahead and just placed a very small order. I think I paid $37.40 in total for the things that I got today. I think they do free shipping over $35. So obviously I was going to spend at least $35. I ended up getting 6 items in this order, and I have played with them a little bit. I actually do have the eyeshadow on my eyes today, but we're going to go ahead and just like dive in a little bit if you are curious. So there's like some swatches and all that kind of stuff, but really we just get to touch some really pretty eyeshadows. All right, so MOIRA's little tagline here on the packing slip is "Make Your Beautiful Destiny." So that's really cute. I would say this kind of has like a K-beauty vibe. I don't think it is K-beauty. They are out of California, but it does kind of have that vibe where it's like really pretty packaging, like almost a little minimalist, and the product is like fairly decent, and the price is like totally there. The mailer is super cute. I mean, like, come on, guys. Like I got that in the mailbox and was like, oh, I'm so excited. What I did pick up from this order was I did get a bottle of their Lemon Boost Toner Mist. This was $9 originally, but I got it for $6.75 on the 4th of July sale. I did get one of the Everlust Shimmer Cream Shadows in the shade Melrose. We will be swatching this on video and looking at this one today. I did, oh my lord. And then I did get 4 of the Lucent Cream Shadows, which is the whole reason that I placed the order in the first place, because I saw Laura May Beauty do a video on these and she has mentioned them several times in the video after that. I am kind of on this weird eyeshadow journey where I am really digging the whole like one and done thing. Like I do have a massive amount of palettes, even though I have decluttered a lot of them. But I do have a lot of palettes with like a lot of colors, and I used to really enjoy like building out a look with like a crease shade, an end shade, a middle shade, an inner corner shade, all that kind of stuff. But like lately, I don't know, I've just been like in this weird mood of like, I just want to like tap on a color, put some eyeliner on, mascara, done. And that's where I'm at. So I saw that these were actually like some shimmer colors that were really nice ones and dones off of Laura May Beauty. And so I decided I wanted to give them a shot. Let's start out with the boring stuff first. Okay, so the Lemon Toner Mist. Look, I love anything lemon. You guys should kind of know this by now, and I love me a face spray, and I'm really into toners right now. So when I saw that they had this for $6, I was like, okay. MOIRA Lemon Boost Toner Mist is an ultra-fine mist infused with lemon to instantly brighten and glow your complexion, lock in moisture after cleansing, before makeup application, or as a refresher throughout the day for an added glowing boost. I did use this when I got it. I had a clean face and I just sprayed it on, and I do love the smell. It did feel very like clean on the skin. So super happy to have this. They actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have 5 different versions of this. They have pomegranate, the lemon, of course, aloe, cucumber, and blueberry. So I would be very interested in trying some of these out. I love face sprays right now, especially toners. So very cool that I picked this up. I'm excited to use it some more. All right, the next item that I purchased was the Everlust Shimmer Cream Shadow in shade 04 Melrose. I only bought one of these because I wasn't in the market for like a cream shadow. I really wanted a kind of cream to powder shadow, which is what these are. These are like a creamy powder, where this is like literally like a liquid. But I did want to try it out because on the website they do look fairly beautiful, and I thought that maybe this could be either a nice base or outer corner color if I wanted to go a little bit deeper. I do have it on my kind of mid to outer corner right now with this look. MOIRA Everlush Shimmer Cream Shadow is an eyeshadow that boasts highly pigmented color and stunning shimmery finish. With its long-lasting formula, you can create mesmerizing eye looks without worrying about creasing or fading. Application is a breeze as you can use a brush or your fingertips to achieve a radiant finish. Layer it to create a range of eye looks from soft to subtle and bold and smoky. I totally believe all of that language because I did notice, like, I tapped my finger in this first to apply it and it's on there, dude. Like, there's a lot. Like, you only need like a very tiny bit of this to like achieve any eye look. So this is going to actually last like a really long time. Full price, these are $7.50, but I only paid $6 on the 4th of July sale. So yeah, I'm very interested in trying to see how this wears. Again, this is the first time that I put it on today, so I don't know anything about the creasing or longevity or anything like that. I started to say that I put my finger in this and blotted it on my eye, and it was a lot. So I just like did one little dot on each eye, and then I took a brush and kind of like smoked it out a little bit. So kind of excited to play with how this wears and also what else I can do with it. So for $6, hey. All right, let's get into the real meat of why I did this order. These are the Lucent Cream Shadows. Yes, they are kind of like little compacts, but they are described as a cream shadow. And I did swatch these in some B-roll for you guys. They are super, super soft. They are very, very pretty, like very pretty. Again, I have them on my eyes today. I think I have the shade Jupiter and Phoebe on today, and I'm gonna have some swatches on some B-roll for you, so just enjoy that. I did love like the little plastic packaging that they came in. I thought it was super cute. I would think that it would feel a little bit cheap, like kind of like Claire's makeup, but no, these are, I like these little like clear, I don't know, like there's something about them that I really like. And when I was filming them in the B-roll, they looked gorgeous with that like holographic decal on the front. So very happy with the packaging. I got these in 4 shades. The first one is Lucent Cream Shadow 002, which the shade name is Infinity. This one kind of came on a little bit surprising to me. I thought it would be like kind of like a more golden brown color, but when I swatched it, it actually came out pretty light. I think it's kind of a shifty color though. The second one that I got is the Lucent Cream Shadow in 010, which is called Jupiter. I actually really like this one. This one is very gorgeous. I thought it was going to be like a rose gold tone, and it is in a way. It's kind of more muted and mauve-y, but it still has that super sparkle that the other ones have. I really like this one a lot. The third color that I got was the Lucent Cream Shadow 025 in Starlight. This one is like a stark white sparkly cream shadow. It's very like just bold and silvery white snowflakey type color. Extremely excited to try this one out. I love just a super white sparkly with a black eyeliner look that's super simple. So excited to try that one out. And then the fourth color I got was the Lucent Cream Shadow in 026 Phoebe. This was the gold that I was looking for. This is like an orangish gold with like a little bit of a brown undertone. I like the sparkle factor in this one probably the most out of all of them because it's a little bit more toned down than the previous 3, but I really, really do like this one. I'm very excited to experiment with all 4 of these colors because again, I only tried the 2 on my eyes today, but I do feel like I got a good enough variety in this order that I can definitely give them a shot. They have so many of these colors on their website. I mean, like I can't really count for you right now. Actually, let me count for you right now. Okay, so they have 26 shades of these Lucent Cream Shadows, and they're not all neutrals. They definitely have like a lot of different colors. Like I was scrolling back, look at that green, like what? But yeah, these are really, really gorgeous, and they're super affordable, guys. They run for $7.50 on the website, but I only paid $5.63 for these because of the 4th of July sale. If you can, MOIRA has an app, and I think you can get notified of when they have sales, but as one and done shadows, or maybe just like 2 shadows, and you just want a really quick eye look, I mean, like I really do feel like these are kind of gorgeous. Again, I'm not really trying to be this like palette queen right now. I just want some things in my drawer that I can pull one out, tap on my eye, throw on some eyeliner, and get the hell out of here. That's all I have for you today, guys. What did you think, are you interested in something like this like kind of affordable brand that has some like very nice finishes? I really like the packaging on these things for how cheap they are. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you liked any of these colors. If you are a sparkle person, they have a ton of mattes too. I totally forgot to. I don't know why I was like, oh, I'm not even like a really sparkly girl. Like I like mattes most of the time, but like for some reason with like a one and done, I want like a little bit of light like reflecting. Anyway, if you could subscribe so you can follow all of my antics, that would be the awesomest. I love you. Ooh, there you go. I love you so much. I will see you on the next one.